Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change your gender on Wish. So without further delays, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.wishwish.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Wish. You'll have to make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you can see an icon of your initial of your first name. Click on that icon and you'll be led to your profile. On the right side of your screen, you can again see an edit profile button. Click on it and then you'll be led to your account settings. Here on the profile section, you can see the gender option. As you can see on the screen, I've selected my gender as female already, but since I want to change it, I'll click on this male button. After you click on it, all you'll have to do is click on the Save Changes button and you'll be able to view this notification pop up showing that your profile has been updated. You can see that it is that simple to change your gender on Wish. And if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.